Alright guys, as you can see in front of me, I've got a big box. I've been waiting for this box for a pretty long time now. This is going to change the car massively. It's a heavy box, it's about 45 kilos, and it's from FDF. Alright, in this box will be the FDF 350z Mega Mantis angle kit. I also have the 350z Diff Brace and also the 350z Rear mid-link arms, which the rear mid-link arm is what the spring sits in. As the coilovers I'm running, the spring is separate to coilover. So yeah, so I still run the stock factory bucket rear mid-link arm at the moment, and that's not adjustable. So that is the FDF Rear mid-link arm, and as you can see, it's where the bucket sits. I'll get it all unboxed and I'll get all closer angles for you guys. That is the Diff Brace for the 350z. Reason why I went with the FDF Diff Brace was it's got a jack point, and it's actually all asymmetrical to the back of your car. So a lot of the Diff Brace from other companies, it's just that bolt hole down to that bolt hole there. It's just to the side, where this is actually all centered up with a jack point. This is the Mega Mantis angle kit, still wrapped up. Let's unwrap it. That's the lower control arm. And that's your knuckle. What I'm going to do right now is quickly pause you guys. I'm going to loosely bolt one of these up so you can see what it looks like fully assembled. Yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, so here is the FDF angle kit arm, all loosely bolted up so you can see how it all goes. Alright guys, so there you go, there's the full unboxing of my full FDF package I've got. So again, that's the FDF Mega Mantis angle kit, FDF Diff Brace, and the FDF Rear mid-link arms. When this video gets uploaded to YouTube, I will upload it Sunday. The week after, I will upload the full install of all these parts. So make sure you like and subscribe guys.